Hi everyone! Today's video is all about the sum and the product of roots of quadratic equations, Quarter 1, Module 7. At the end of the video, you should be able to find the sum and product of the roots of quadratic equations. Write the quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 given the roots. The sum of the roots of quadratic equation is negative b over a. The product of the roots of quadratic equation is c over a. So, kailangan ulit natin kunin ang value ng a, b, and c of the given quadratic equation para makuha ang sum and product of the roots. For instance, kailangan natin sagutin ito. Find the sum and the product of the roots of 2x squared plus 14x plus 20 equals 0. Ang gagamitin natin ay sum of the roots and product of the roots. Kunin muna natin ang given. A sub 1 equals 2. Saan natin nakuha ang 2? So, dito. B, positive 14 or 14. C equals 20. Now, ito ang gagamitin natin sa pag-solve ng sum and product. Pero tandaan, dapat ang given ay nakasulat sa standard form bago kunin ang value ng A, B, and C para hindi kayo magkamali. Unahin natin ang sum of the roots. Sum of the roots equals negative B over A. So, papalitan lang natin ang B and A. So, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 14 over 2. So, bakit negative? Given yan sa formula. Then, yung B, papalitan natin ng 14, kaya meron tayong negative 14. A is 2. Then, simplify natin. Negative 14 divided by 2 equals negative 7. Ibig sabihin, ang sum of the roots ay negative 7. Paano naman ang product of the roots? Product of the roots equals C over A. Palitan din natin ang C at A ng values mula sa given quadratic equation. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 20 over 2. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Para ma-check natin kung tama ang sagot, get the factors of 10 which will give a sum of negative 7. Ano ang ibig sabihin nito? Maghahanap tayo ng numbers na kapag minultiply, 10 ang sagot. Then, kapag inad, ang sagot naman dapat ay negative 7. So, mag-iisip tayo ng factors ng 10. Ano ba ang mga factors ng 10? So, for the factors of 10, we have negative 1 and negative 10. Bakit pala negative ang napili natin? Kasi ang sign kapag inad ay negative. Kaya dapat ang dalawang factors ay pareho negative. So, i-add nga natin, kunin natin ang sum. So, negative 10 and negative 10 plus negative 1, it's negative 11. So, ibig sabihin, negative 10 and negative 1 is not the factor kasi hindi negative 7 ang sagot. So, mag-try ulit tayo ng ibang number. Anong number pa ba ang pag minultiply? 10 ang sagot. Okay? Meron tayo negative 5 and negative 2. So, tingnan nga natin. Negative 5 plus negative 2. Okay, this time, ang sagot ay negative 7. Kung saan tugma dito sa hinahanap natin na or sa sagot natin sa sum of the roots. Ibig sabihin, ang roots ay negative 5 and negative 2. I-check natin kung tama ang negative 5 and negative 2. So, gamitin natin x of 1 equals negative 5, x of 2 equals negative 2. Kung tatanungin nyo ako if pwedeng maging baliktad, pwedeng maging x of 1 ang negative 2, opo, pwede. So, bahala kayo kung alin ang unahin nyo. Okay? So, i-check natin. Sum. Diba sa sum, i-add ang two roots. Kung ang roots natin ay negative 5 at negative 2, ibig sabihin x of 1 plus x of 2 equals negative 7. Palitan natin ang x of 1 at x of 2. Gawin natin negative 5 plus negative 2 equals negative 7. Negative 5 plus negative 2, we have negative 7 equals negative 7. So, equal naman. I-try nga natin sa product. So, negative na tuloy. X of 1 times x of 2. Diba? Product ang pinag-uusapan, kaya tayo ay magmumultiply ng roots. If ang roots natin ay negative 5 at negative 2, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 5 times negative 2 equals 10. Maging equal kaya? So, negative times negative, positive. 5 times 2, it's 10. So, 10 equals 10. Okay, therefore, ang sum ng 2x squared plus 14x plus 20 equals 0, ang sum ng roots ay negative 7. Ang product of the roots naman ay 10. Another example, find the sum and the product of the roots of x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. So, hanapin natin ang values ng A, B, and C. A equals 1, B equals negative 4. So, tingnan na, negative kasi minus 4 yung nasa equation. C equals negative 12. Hanapin natin ang sum of the roots. Sum of the roots equals negative B over A. Ang B natin ay negative 4. Ang A ay 1. Ipapalit natin sa formula. So, magkakaroon tayo ng negative times negative 4 all over 1. Okay. Bakit dalawang negative? Kasi sa formula may negative tayo. Then, from the given, meron tayong negative 4. So, negative times negative 4 over 1 equals 4. Bakit naging 4? Negative times negative, positive. Kaya ang sagot ay positive 4. For the product of the roots, C over A. Palitan natin ang C ng negative 12, ang A ng 1. So, we have negative 12 over 1. Negative 12 divided by 1, the answer is negative 12. Okay? Hanapin natin ang roots para ma-check natin ang sum and product of the roots. Mag-iisip tayo ng factors ng 12 na kung saan kapag in-add natin, ang sagot ay positive 4. Okay. So, factors of 12, 12 and 1. Bakit pala positive at negative? Kasi, ito ang sign na magbibigay sa atin ng sagot na negative. So, pag negative, ibig sabihin, positive times negative or negative times positive. Or nag-multiply tayo ng unlike sign. Okay? So, ano ba ang sum ng 12 and negative 1? So, 12 plus negative 1 is 11. So, hindi ito ang factors kasi ang hinahanap natin dapat kapag in-add 4 ang sagot. Okay, mag-try ulit tayo ng ibang factor ng 12. So, meron tayong 4 and negative 3. So, 4 times negative 3, ang sagot ay negative 12. By the way, mga bata, bakit pala mas mataas palagi ang value ng positive natin? Kasi po, positive yung hinahanap natin na sagot, positive 4. So, 4 plus negative 3, the answer is 1. Next, 6 and negative 2. 6 plus negative 2, the answer is 4. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ang roots ng given ay 6 and negative 2. I-try natin. So, let us check. X of 1 equals 6 and x of 2 equals negative 2. So, kunin natin ang sum of the roots. So, x of 1 plus x of 2 equals 4. Palitan natin ng given. So, 6 plus negative 2 equals 4. 4 equals 4. Punta tayo sa product of the roots. X of 1 times x of 2 equals negative 12. So, 6 times negative 2 equals negative 12. Negative 12 equals negative 12. Therefore, ang sum of the roots of the given quadratic equation is 4 and the product is negative 12. Okay, paano naman if ang given ay roots? Gagawin natin or isusulat natin into standard form given the concept of sum and product of the roots. So, ganito ang gagawin. The given is, or halimbawa, ito ang problem. Given the roots 3 and 4, find the quadratic equation using the concept of sum and product of roots. Given x of 1 equals 3, x of 2 equals 4. Sum of the roots. So, x of 1 plus x of 2 equals negative b over a. I-add natin ang x of 1 at x of 2. Bakit addition? Kasi ang pinag-uusapan natin ay sum. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 3 plus 4 equals negative b over a. So, isimplify natin. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 equals negative b over a. Ngayon, tanggalin natin ang negative. Paano natin yung tatanggalin? So, multiply both sides by negative. 7 times negative equals negative 7. Negative b over a times negative equals positive b over a. For the product of the roots, so c over a, x of 1 times x of 2 equals c over a. So 3 times 4 equals c over a. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 equals c over a. So the quadratic equation is x squared minus 7x plus 12. So ito, or yung negative 7 natin, siya ang magiging value ng b. Then, ito naman yung c over a, yan naman ang gagamitin natin for the value of c. Kaya ang quadratic equation ay x squared minus 7x plus 12. Another problem, given the roots negative 3/4 and 1/2. Find the quadratic equation using the concept of sum and product of the roots. Given x of 1 equals negative 3/4. X of 2 equals 1/2. So, unahin natin ang sum of the roots, which is equal to negative b over a. So, dahil sum ang pinag-uusapan, i-add natin ang x of 1 and x of 2. Magkakaroon tayo ng negative 3/4 plus 1/2 equals negative b over a. Tandaan, kapag mag-a-add tayo ng fraction, kailangan similar ang denominator. So, ang least common denominator ng 4 at 2 ay 4. So, 4 divided by 4, we have 1 times 3 is 3. Kaya ito, mag-i-stay lang. So, yung 1/2, ano ang mangyayari? 4 divided by 2, we have 2 times 1, it's 2. Kaya ang bagong equation ay negative 3/4 plus 2/4 equals negative b over a. So, i-add natin, since magkaiba ang sign, negative and positive, magsusubtract tayo. Ang isusubtract lang ay ang numerator, ikakopy ang denominator. So, ang sagot ay negative 1/4 equals negative b over a. So, kailangan mawala ang negative sa negative b over a. Kaya i-multiply natin both side ng negative. So, negative times negative, we have positive. Kaya naging positive 1/4 and b over a. So, the sum of the roots is 1/4. 1/4 ang value ng b over a. Okay, for the product of the roots equals c over a. So, x of 1 times x of 2. Multiplication kasi ang pinag-uusapan ay product. So, x of 1 times x of 2 equals c over a. So, negative 3/4 times 1/2 equals c over a. Then, multiply the numerator by the numerator, denominator by the denominator. So, we have 3 times 1, it's 3. 4 times 2, 8. So, So, positive times negative, negative. Negative 3/8 equals C over A. Therefore, the equation is x squared plus 1/4 x minus 3/8 equals 0. So, yung value ng sum of the product, yan ang B. Then, yung product of the roots, yan naman ang constant or yung C. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell for more videos and to keep you updated. Once again, thank you everyone.